everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joni Young. If you're new here, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite shade of turquoise and a few different purples. So I hope you guys are ready for some fun color recipes, and let's just get started right away. So I'm going to be using, to make purple, neon pink, and you can use any neon pink that you have. We'll also be using phthalo blue and titanium white. So let's begin. I'm going to add some white right here. A little bit of pink. And just a little bit of phthalo blue because it's very, very dominant. I'm just going to take a little palette knife here. I'm going to mix it around. Something so satisfying just mixing colors, just pushing and pulling, stirring that paint around. So you see how strong that blue is. That's why we don't need very much of it. But already we're getting a very, very pretty shade of purple. It's going to darken a little bit here. Now this is like just probably my favorite shade of purple. It's more of a pastel. Now it will dry a little bit darker, like I said. So this might be very close to a light blue violet, a few shades more towards the violet side. Now I'm going to do that again, but I'm going to leave out the white and I'm just going to use pink with a little bit of blue so you can see the difference. So we'll just try to add a little bit of blue. And let's mix this one up. You can see how dark and rich that is. Just beautiful. And this is with no white at all. Okay, so that just shows you what a beautiful purple you can get by mixing those. I'll pull it out a little bit so you can see. Now I've got some ultramarine blue, and I'm going to try making purple with ultramarine blue so you guys can see if there's any difference. So we'll add a little bit of that, and I'll use my neon pink again, be more generous. This is more of a warm purple, whereas these are more of a cool. So there's so many different variations and shades of purple, right? So there's that. I really like that color as well. Just mix it up a little bit more. pull it out for you guys so you can see. Thin it out a little bit. Very pretty color. I'm going to change the ratio. I'm going to use more blue than pink. And try to just squeeze it a little bit like that. And let's see if this makes a difference. It's still looking pretty blue. Some of you might see purple and some of you might see blue here. Now to me it's looking a little bit more on the blue side. I'm going to add just a little bit more of my pink. There we go. Just a little bit of that, and look at how it changed. That's a really pretty shade of purple. I love that. So look at all these different shades of purple we have. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this and mix it with white, and we'll see what it looks like. I'll just try to add a little bit here. Now this is really looking like a light blue violet to me. Pretty close to that one actually. Let's take this and see. You can see this one's a bit more blue, this one's a little bit more purple. Let's take, I'm just curious, now we made this one with a phthalo blue, this one with the ultramarine blue. Let's take a bit of this and put it next to this one. This one's a bit darker, isn't it? And this one feels a bit warmer. This one feels a bit cooler. Very similar though. And for the fun of it, let's take a little bit of, just so you guys can see what this will look like with a little bit of white in it. And this one as well. That's quite pretty. And let's try this one now. Now you could just keep adding more white and making lighter and lighter shades. And I think out of all of them, this one is my favorite. And I'm gonna write the list of colors in the description below. So this side down here is ultramarine blue. This is Arteza I'm using. And then this side up here is phthalo blue with a neon pink. So ultramarine blue with pink, phthalo blue with pink, and of course white to lighten them. Now we'll move on to turquoise. Now what we're going to be using to make turquoise is this cool phthalo blue, and it's the same phthalo blue as here, and neon yellow. And I'm not sure if you can get the same shades that I'm getting here today if you were not using neons. This is why this is another reason, I just love neon paint, but this is another reason why I really like using it, because you can make the prettiest colors with neons. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to add 1 drop there. Again, just a little bit of the phthalo because it is very, very dominant. And then more of the neon yellow. Now let's mix these up. And we're getting a really pretty green here. So that's not looking turquoise at all yet. To me, this has too much yellow because it's looking just too bright green. But I'm going to add a little bit of white anyways, and see if that changes a little bit. So now it's still not looking like turquoise to me. It's just looking like a lighter shade of that green. More of a yellowy green. So I'm going to take some of that, put it here, and I'm going to add a little bit more. Now some of you guys might see turquoise here. It all depends on like what your favorite shade of turquoise is. I'm going to add just a little bit more blue. That might be a bit too much. We'll see. And I'll start mixing this up. So I can see already that this is going to be better because it's cooling it down. This is more like turning into phthalo green. And that's what you want. You want a phthalo green, and then you want to tint it with white. So let's take some white now. Try just a little drop of white. Maybe a little bit more. Now I think that's looking too blue, so I'm going to balance it out and take a little bit more of this green here, and that's helping quite a bit. A little bit more. Turquoise is really like a fine balance of yellows, the right yellow and the right blue. Okay, I like that. I'm going to add a little bit of white here. A little bit more green, and we'll add it right in this section here. Now what I want to do is add a little bit of yellow. I say a little bit, but so much just came out. That might make it a little bit too yellow now. Let's take both of these. Now we're getting there. A little bit more white. And there's a really pretty turquoise. Now I'll show you why ultramarine blue, what will happen if I add ultramarine blue to this, and we'll see. Just a little bit. So let's take that yellow, okay, that's pretty mixed up. Let's see what happens when we add a little bit of white in here. Yeah, it's just not a cool blue turquoise. It's very muted. It's not a bad color. It's kind of pretty. It's a pastel, and I love all pastels, but you can see the difference here. This one is prettier. So there you go, guys. There's our quick little lesson on how to mix up all these shades of purple so you can decide which purple you want to use and know what blues and the right pink and how much white to add, as well as turquoises. So thanks so much for joining me today, and if you have any questions, head over to Patreon and I'll be happy to offer advice there. And have a wonderful day, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.